Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. How are you? We miss you a lot. Please guys, don't forget to do like, share and subscribe to our channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about daily habits and we're gonna start with the main important vocabs you must know. Habits, something you always do, usually without think about it. Jump out of, to let yourself drop from a place above the ground. Jump out of bed. Discipline, a way of training your body and mind so that you can control your action and thought. Meditation, the practice of thinking deeply in silence in order to make your mind calm. So today we will share with you some daily routine and explain how could we have a more productive and happier life. And we're gonna start by waking up. Get up, take a shower, have a breakfast, get dressed, go to work, have lunch, finish work, have dinner, watch TV, and then remember, go to the bed. And as we said before, take a long time in and sleep comfortable in your bed. Here are some daily habits to improve our life and increase our energy and focus. The first one is meditation. 15-minute daily of meditation will improve ability to pay attention, focus, and reduce stress. Writing regularly. Writing your goals and track them makes you more aware of your thoughts and helps to become more productive and disciplined person. Drinking a lot of water improves mental performance and keeps skin healthy. 30 minutes of workout. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. The habit of exercise could be an instant mood booster and stress reducer. So don't forget, work out to improve our mind and body. Reading expands mind and boosts creative imagination. So do your best to read every day and learn something new. Remember, be encouraging, be yourself, be active. Yesterday, I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today, I am wise, so I am changing myself. That's us, Rainbow Stuff. So please give us a like and share and subscribe to our channel. We love you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye.